Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9004 Microdermabrasion machine. The machine has 3 gears. Each press can adjust a gear. In order to show the effect directly, now test it on hand. Press once, turn on the first gear. Press again, turn on the second gear. Press again, turn on the third gear. Press again to shut down. This product has 5 different heads which are applicable to different areas such as face, T area, nose, wing, eye circumference, etc. The head can be easily replaced. Filter cotton also can be easily replaced, more hygienic and safe to use. After use, it can be cleaned with a brush with water. Connect the charging port on the back for charging. Welcome to watch the introduction video of ND9004 Microdermabrasion machine.